today. Come and count and sing and play in the pond so bright and blue. 5 little ducklings say hello to you. 1 green duckling splash and dive, happy and playful, full of life. Mother duck smiles happily, swimming in the pond so free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 little ducklings come alive, splashing, laughing, having fun, playing together in the sun. 2 yellow ducklings bright and sweet, tiny little flippers, dancing feet. Mother duck sings, come along, everybody joins the song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 little ducklings come alive, splashing, laughing, having fun, playing together in the sun. 3 red ducklings spin around, making ripples all around. Mother duck says, look and see, counting ducks is easy peasy. 4 white ducklings swim so fast, making happy splashes as they pass. Sparkling water shining bright, everything feels just right. 5 pink ducklings wave hello, through the sparkling pond they go. Rainbow colors fill the sky, butterflies are flying high. 1, 2,